I got cut off earlier. Would I add with some mozzarella cheese, parmesan? The only thing I had was the cheese. Yes, because we haven't seasoned the pasta, we're gonna put a little bit of all-purpose Maggi seasoning, just a little bit. Not putting a whole lot. I'm just gonna just tap that in so that the pasta can have a little bit of flavor. Can have the flavor that I'm looking for. And then, it's not an Alfredo if you don't put a little bit of crushed pepper. Put some crushed pepper. Ooh. So, we're gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Not a lot. Just a little bit of black pepper. Yeah. So we're finished with our Alfredo. Just to top it off, we're gonna add our little bit of dried parsley just to make it looks delicious. It's like presentation. That's how we have it. There you have it. That's my Alfredo. Woohoo! That's my creamy Alfredo. Damn. Let's let's put it on the counter so you can see it. Um, and put some more lights. So there you have it, guys. My chicken Alfredo. Mhm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's it. Let's go. I'm gonna taste. I'm gonna share some in like a plate. Share some. Mm. Ooh, it's so creamy. Yo, 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 yo. Look at that. Creamy as hell. Creamy as. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And then we're gonna add one or two of our chicken breasts just to make it look bougie. Yeah, yeah. So this is our meal. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And if you want, you could add some parsley. You could add some more parsley just to make it a little more bougie. This is a dry parsley. Yeah. Leave some for you. You could have a big plate right now. Yeah, so there you have it. There you have it, guys. Mm, mm. Oh my God. Mm, 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 mm. This is so good. This is so good. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Oh my God. Mm, mm. Yum, yum, yum. I want to take a picture. So I'll be right back.